Well, I think it's gonna work. The weak point of this is actually the floor of the truck is what moves. So here's how I built this and what went into making it. Okay, I got a plan, kinda. We're gonna start by making a plate that will bolt to the bottom of the shifter and fit inside here, because this actually needs to mount an inch or so up or down from the shifter itself. All right, well, it's all welded. For having zero experience TIG welding aluminum, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I mean, this weld looks okay. Not quite enough filler rod on that one though. It's not gonna fall off. So I'm gonna go ahead. I was gonna install some gussets here, but I really don't think it's gonna be necessary because all the flex is in this 1/8 inch plate on the top. Once the shifter's bolted on there, it's gonna take all that flex out. So we're gonna bolt it on there, drill our holes, install this in the truck, and we'll see how rigid it is. Before we actually mount this in the car, I've got this is a neutral switch and a reverse switch, and I'm gonna use these. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill a hole in my mounting base here to pass those wires through. Well, now this is done, time to start building the console where we're going to mount all of our electronics. See you soon.